Hello, it's Adam Houston. I'm coming to you as always from the digital studios of MarketClub, and today we're taking a look at crude oil. And as you can see, the symbol for crude oil is quite simply CL, and we cover all the contracts, both the electronic and the open pit contracts. But for today's purposes, we're going to be looking at the January crude oil. This is just to give you an idea of how this tool works. I would say you're not going to be trading the January crude oil because it's going to be going off the board pretty soon. You're going to be looking for some of the more liquid, further out markets. Not too far out though. So here we are. This is a daily contract. We're using the candlestick charts. You see red means going down, blue means going up. And as you can see, this particular market has been very, very choppy with no real trend. We're pretty much confined to these areas. It gets down here, it's pretty much a buy. Gets up here, it's pretty much a sell. So let's just take everything off the screen because I want to show you something, a tool that I think is very, very interesting. We've got two tools on the board right now. One's an on-chart study, which is right here, and this is a parabolic. And what's nice is a parabolic SAR, and you'll find it right under the on-chart studies of MarketClub. And we have a below chart study, which is right here. And you'll find that under the below chart studies here. And this is a Williams percent R by Larry Williams. Actually, Larry did a great job on this, and I think you'll see how effective this can be in terms of a choppy, trendless market we've seen in crude oil. So here's the theory. We get above this level, right? I'm going to draw the line here so you get a very, very clear area. And then we get below this level here. So this would basically be a buy zone, and this would be a sell zone. Looking at this, you can see, okay, a buy zone down here. Okay, you're below the point. Our parabolic gave a signal here to be a buyer, and we got up to here, and we had a signal to sell, which is we're above the sell zone. And look what's just happened. We're in the same predicament right now. The market traded over 90, which is right here, for the first time in a long time, and it immediately reversed. So the question is this just a temporary pullback, or are we going to see something more in the order of like from here to here, or from here to, let's say, down to here somewhere? I want to show you something which is really cool, and you can only really do this on MarketClub. I haven't seen it on any other software platform. I'm going to take everything off the screen for a second, and I'll show you exactly how this works. So let's just go under our on-chart studies, okay? And you can see the parabolic right here. Now, if we move this around, it allows you, see how everything's moving dynamically? It allows you to move this in such a way that you can actually get a very nice rhythm. And if you want to have closer stops, you can. Let me just move that again and show you. So you can just say, okay, just click here, and that new study, that new rhythm stays on here. And as you can see now, our stops, the SAR, the parabolic SAR, is 87.40, and we're currently at 88.65. So again, this potentially could turn around very quickly. The potential is for a pullback. This is a trading type market for the moment, in my opinion, and it's very choppy, and you should be careful, and you should be using an indicator more like Williams percent R, because it does help you identify where the market is in a high zone, which is right here, or anything over here is high zone, and right down here is a low zone. So if you just circled here, went up here, circled there, circle here, circle there, circle here, circle there, and circle here, and you're circling it. So you're catching most of the lows, and if you go on the top side, you're looking at these top side elements. Again, you've got to be using something like a filter, like the parabolic SAR to do this, and it's very, very helpful. And again, I think you can go on and on showing you examples, but that's what we are. We're in a trading type market. This is Adam Houston from MarketClub. Be sure to check out the Williams percent R indicator and try it on some of your favorite markets, and try it in conjunction with our trade triangle technology. Hey, every success. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you on the way.